Now in these parts, we have learned to the Einstein's equation of photoelectric effect. Okay, now see these figures. These figures on the basis of Planck's quantum theory. Einstein derived the photoelectric equations. Einstein assumed that the light radiation consists of that is the photon of energy, that is the HV. Okay, photon of energy HV. H means what? That is the Planck's constant. That is the Planck's constant. Okay, and this V means what? That is the frequency. Now this V is also known as the N, that is the frequency. Frequency is also called as the N. Okay, now the radiation falls on these metal plates. This is the metal surface. Now the radiation falls on the metal plates, photon electron collision takes place. Okay, photon electrons collision takes place. The energy HV, this energy HV of each photon is completely absorbed the electrons, and these electrons absorb the photons usually in two ways. Okay, that is the two ways. What? That is, first is what? That is the part of energy is used. Part of energy is used to the free the electron of metal surface. Free the electron of metal surface is called as the work function. That is the energy free to the electrons. Energy free to the electron. Free to the electrons of metal surface. Is called as work function. And the second way is what? The remaining part of energy converted in maximum Ke. What? Remaining energy. This remaining energy converted to maximum Ke. What? Maximum Ke. According to the principle of conservation of energy. Now see this figure, that is the photon HV. Ke max is equal to half mv square max. This like a metal surface. Okay. Now according to the principle of conservation of energy, that is the, according to the principle of conservation of energy. What? That is the conservation of energy. Energy of photon is equal to work function. Energy of photon is equal to work function. Work function plus K, that is the K max. Okay, K max. Now the equation of this energy of photons is equal to work function plus K max. Now the energy of photon. Okay, this energy of photon is equal to work function plus K max. Energy of photons, that is the HV. Work function is W suffix O plus half mv square max. This equation is called as Einstein's photoelectric equation. Okay, now this equation is called as what? Is called as Einstein's photoelectric equations. Okay, now consider the V suffix O. Okay, if V suffix O is the threshold frequency, that is the threshold frequency. Now the WO is equal to HVO. that is HV is equal to HVO plus half mv square max. Okay, now the half mv square max, half mv square max is equal to, now modify this equation, that is the HV minus HVO, that is the half mv square max, mv square max is equal to H is the common, now remaining parts V minus VO in brackets. Okay, now this equations is known as the another form of Einstein's equation. Okay, this is another form. Now this HV is equal to WO plus half mv square max is the Einstein's photoelectric equations, and this is the another form of Einstein's equations. It's called as what? It's called as Einstein's equations. That is another form of Einstein's equations. And this bit is a completely 4 marks bit. It's a very important bit. That is this is the figures and the explanation of Einstein's equations.